Hello children, this is Shakti, your English teacher. Welcome to the English class, Standard 8. Topic is Unit 5, Poem 5, Firework Night. Firework Night written by Enid Blyton. First we have to see the warm-up. How does noise pollution affect people, animal and birds? From old age home, animal and birds. Let's see one by one. Okay. How does noise pollution affect people, animals and birds? First we have to see old age home. Exposure to loud noise cause cardiovascular problems, difficulty in sleeping, tinnitus, hearing impairment, trouble communication, reduced cognitive functioning, and emotion and behavioral change. Okay, you should write in your book. Second one, animals. Animals migrate to other ecosystems that are not suitable for them and end up dying. Hearing problem hinders communication, reproduction problem, behavioral change, reduction in production, adaptation and death. These are the problems of noise pollution to animals. Next, birds. Noise pollution significantly affects the birds nesting closer to the compressors. It triggered health defects such as stunt growth. Stunt growth means impairment growth. Chronic stress, issues with their reproduction, and fewer feather on the birds, changes of their vocalizations, jeopardized and migration. These are all noise pollution affected on birds. Okay. So you should write in your book. These are all you have to write in your book. Next, the author introduction of Firework Night. Firework Night written by Enid Blyton. This is the picture of Enid Blyton. Okay. Enid Mary Blyton. It is a full name of her. 11th August 1897 to 28 November 1968 was an English children's writer whose books have been among the world's best sellers since the 1930s, selling more than 600 million copies. Blyton's books are still enormously popular and have been translated into 90 languages. As of June 2018, Blyton in the fourth place of the most translated author. She wrote on a wide range of topics including education, natural history, fantasy, mystery, and biblical narratives, and is best remembered today for her Noddy, Famous Five, Secret Seven, and Mallory Towers. Okay, these are all her favorite books. Okay, her notable works. See, Firework Night. How the dog reacted on the firework night. Let's see. Firework Night written by Enid Blyton. Let's see. Bang. What's that? Bang, bang. Oh, hark. The guns are shooting in the dark. Little guns and big ones too. Bang, bang, bang. What shall I do? Mistress, master, hear me yelp. Here, a dog is standing at the door. He hears that the loud sounds of fireworks. The dog is so frightened. Little guns and big ones use out loud noise. So the dog is so frightened and so trembling. Then I'm out of doors. I want your help. Let me in. Oh, let me in before those fireworks begin to shoot again. I can't bear that. My tail is down. My ears are flat. I'm trembling here outside the door. Oh, don't you love me anymore? See here, the dog's willingness to go inside the house because it is so frightened. I'm out of doors. I'm out of doors. I want your help. Let me in. Master, please let me in. Before those fireworks begin to shoot again. So the firework is shooting again and again. So I can't bear that noise. My tail is down. My ears are flat. So I can't bear the noise. So I'm trembling here outside the door. Oh, don't you love me anymore? Next. I think I will die with fright. Fright, that means frightening. Fear. Unless you let me in tonight. Shall we let him in, children? So these lines. Shall we let him in, children? So the master asking to their children. Okay. Ha! Now the door is open wide. I'm rushing through. I'm safe inside. The lights are on. It's warm and grand. Mistress, let me lick your hand. See here, I think I will die with fright unless you let me in tonight. Here, his ears become flat, trembling with fear. He is standing at the door. So he requests the master and his wife to open the door and let him in. The explosion is unbearable. The noise is unbearable. Then the fireworks emit loud explosion. If you do not let me in, I will die of fright. I will die of with fear. Now the door is open. The door is open wide. I hurry into the house. Here I is referred to the dog. It is hurry into the house. The place is bright with lights. It's warm, safe and grand. So his mistress, the dog's mistress, I shall lick your hand to express my gratitude. He rushed into the house. Then, my mistress, I shall lick your hand to express my gratitude. The dog's voice. Then, next, before I slip behind the couch, that I will hide myself and crouch in safety till the banns are done. Then to my kennel I will run and guard you safely all the night, because you understood my fright. Here the dog expresses its feelings. Before I slip behind the couch. Couch, that means a type of high bed sofa. Okay. That I will hide myself and crouch. Crouch, that means adopt a position. Okay. Because it is frightened, so it adopt the position where the knees are bent and upper body is brought forward and down. Its sleepness is crouch. Okay. Next, in safety till the banks are done. Here I hide myself there till the explosion is over. After that I will go to my kennel. From there I would guard your house all the night. I am grateful to you because you know that I am afraid of explosion. You understood my frightened. So he should thank to their masters. because of they understood it's frightened. Okay, that's it. Then it will go to its kennel. Let's see, do you know? A dog whistle, also known as a silent whistle or Galton's whistle. So there is silent whistle. Silent whistle, that means low sound whistle. Galton's whistle, that is high range whistle. Because of that, Galton invented this sound. That is called a Galton's whistle. It's a type of whistle that emits sound in the ultrasonic range. It is a sound. It is ultrasonic range. That means high range of sounds. So it is refers as HZ, which people cannot hear but some other animals can. Human beings could not hear the sound, but animals can hear, including dogs and domestic cats, and is used their training, which we can train up the dog or cat. It will be hear the high sound of range and or lower sound of whistle. Okay, it was invented in 1876 by Francis Galton and is mentioned in his book Enquiries into Human Faculty and its Development. In his book Human Faculty and its Development, he mentioned about his enquiries of ultrasonic range. Okay, in which he describes experiments to test the range of frequencies. So he experiments some of the things about cat, rat and their range of frequencies to be heard. Okay, that could be heard by various animals such as a house cat. Okay, but the children's are youngsters only heard 15 to 17 hertz, but the dog and cat are hears mostly 23 to 64 hertz. Okay, it it will be helpful to react well in the command of the owner. If they delivered through high frequency whistle, it will be react their commands. Okay, that's it. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.